What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Papa Bear Resells. My name's Rich. Today we're going to do a what sold video. It's for 2 days and it's for $330 worth of sales. That's after shipping. Before shipping it was about $422 because some of the buyers paid for shipping. So I'm just going to jump right into it, make this video kind of quick. The first thing I sold was, I'll show you pictures and stuff like that, comps. The first thing I sold was a Budweiser 1999, a vintage Budweiser 1999 beer tap handle, and it's new old stock, brand new. I got it for $3 at a tag sale. It was one of my biggest tag sale letdowns because I had my GoPro that day and my batteries were dead. I was done. We were done for the day and I had no battery in my GoPro and we missed it, but it was the coolest couple. That's where I got this beer tap. He actually gave me two. I sold a Bud Light one for the same price a couple weeks ago, but this one went through the global shipping program for $24.99 with $10.90 to Kentucky. The next item I'm pretty sure I got at the bins a really long time ago. It's a Lands End women's black puffer jacket. It's a medium 10-2. We put winter spring in the description. And yeah, we got it at the bin, so we're really nothing into it, and it sold for $22.50 with $7.99 shipping. The next item is a retail arbitrage, if I said that right, arbitrage, from Walgreens. I love Walgreens clearance. If I see a Walgreens, I go there and I look at their clearance all the time. Usually find good stuff there, but unless it's picked over. But this was I think I got this for $1.50. It's a Canon 211 XL color ink, brand new, sealed in the package. It sold for $16 of free shipping. The next item is a Lutron Designer. I think I said that right. It's vintage new stock fan control, like switch, for a dimmer. It says 3-speed, quiet. I got this at my favorite thrift store. I haven't been there in a while. Maybe I'll go there this weekend. And this is like 50 cents. Every time I go there, if I see something old new stock, I just grab it because it's always super cheap. So it didn't sell really well, and it was in my store for a long time. $7.19 with $2.99 shipping. But I paid 50 cents for it, so it's a good sale in my eyes. So the next item is a Janie and Jack girls 12 through 18 months cotton knitted overalls with cute detail, my wife put in the description. This took a while to sell, but it did sell for $11.99 with $2.49 shipping. We got this at $1 fill a bag when stores just started opening. This lady had way too much stuff, and I think we ended up buying like 28 Walmart bags just full of used clothes. This next item was a really good sale, but it sat in the store for a very long time. A Fairy Barrette hair clip made in France, and it's rare. We had it up there for $89.99. It's been up there. It's been one of my best top most watched items for months. Alright, I've given offers on it. Nothing. Finally, a woman excuse me, who's close to me offered us $75, so the shipping was, this thing's so tiny. I put it in a box and inside another box, an 8x6x4 box, but I put it inside a smaller box and then inside there. Cost $3.50 to ship. So it sold for $75. She gave us an offer of $75 and we took that. And the next item I sold was a TaylorMade TI Bubble 2 5 wood. It's a golf club. I sold two more. I'll show you those in a second, but I got these for $1 at a church tag sale. The guy wanted like $2 a bag, but a lot of them had like weird mold and stuff on the handles, and I didn't want to deal with that, so I took all the clean ones. I paid the $1, and I'm still selling them. And this one sold for $19.99 at $8.70 shipping. Next item I sold was a Sony Mega Storage 200 disc CD player. It has remote and manual. I got this in a video that I made. I'll show it right here, wherever. And it was 50% off day. The guy wanted $75 for it, so that made it $35. We offered him $25, and he took it. And we sold it for $127.99 with $28.72 shipping. And what's cool about this is it came with an eBay receipt in this bag that had the remote and the booklet. And the receipt is this guy bought it from eBay a long time ago, and $149.99 with free shipping. So I actually got more for it after he used it, and then sold it to me for $25. So I thought that was a pretty cool thing. The next is 2 irons. It's from that same sale that I told you with the golf clubs for 25 cents. I had them at $23.99. They're tailor-made super steel burners. A 3 iron and a 5 iron. The guy messaged me and said, hey, listen, if I buy them both, will you give me a deal? And they were at $23.99 a piece, and he ended up buying them both for $27, and it cost about $14 to ship it out to him. And I gave him a little bonus, like golf tool, multi-tool thing that I have in my store, but I had some extras, and yeah, so I thought that for 50 cents, it was a $27 sale for golf clubs. Golf clubs sell really well no matter what time of the year it is, for me at least. So my next item is, my last item is a PlayStation 2 game, Baldur's Gate Dark Alliance Forgotten Realms. I bought a guy's whole entire PlayStation 2 setup. It was 45 games, the PlayStation 2 Fat, 2 blue controllers, 1 black controller, and 2 Mad Cat controllers for $40. And I've been selling off the games, and this one sold for $15 with free shipping. So there we go. That came to, all of that with shipping came to $422 in sales, but then the shipping was about $85. So it's about $330 in sales, and that's not before fees or nothing like that, but still it's $330 in sales. These are the type of things that I sell in my store, and sometimes if you get things at a good price, like you saw with the light switch and stuff, that you just got to get it. It's not something I would get again, but if I would get it for the 50 cents, I might get it again, you know what I mean? But if I saw it for like $3, so sometimes it all depends. It might not be a fast seller, but these are things that I sell in my store, and hopefully gives you ideas of things maybe you can sell in your store. Hey everybody, thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for hitting the like button. We'll see you next time. Bye.